you want to be on the home page of your PS5 right here, and then we want to go all the way to the end where it says the PlayStation Plus logo. Tap down once, hit that box that says upgrade, and this will give you all of your upgrade options. And the pricing right now is determined based upon how many days you have left in your current subscription. So if I want to go all the way up and upgrade all the way up to the top plan of premium, it'll cost me another $17.75 for the next 108 remaining days before I have to pay 120 bucks. And for extras, about $11.83 before I have to pay 99 bucks for the next 12 months after that. And you can have the Mom Credit Essentials plan, which everybody has been upgraded to. If you hit square, it gives you a quick look at the comparison between each of the plans. Premium gives you the classic catalog, game trials, cloud streaming, the game catalog here, essentials right here, you can see right there. And if you go down where it says compare plans, you can actually see a nice little graph sort of chart right here that kind of tells you what each thing has, and it gives you a little bit better visual right here. And you're definitely planning to either get extra or premium, you're definitely going to want to get some storage, especially USB storage, because a lot of those are PS4 games, and you want to check this video out right here where I talk about that, because it's very important to add that to save storage on your PS5.